Why you need financial education. Today, many consumers have little understanding of finances. In fact, a lack of financial understanding may underscore why Americans struggle with saving and investing. Welcome to another episode of EdWize. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Financial planning is long-term, and people cannot depend on one-time windfalls such as the $1,400 stimulus checks distributed as part of the American Rescue Plan. Instead, individuals need to shore up their financial knowledge to manage their day-to-day financial lives, while also taking a longer view for the future. From budgeting to personal financial management, financial literacy is the ability to understand and apply various financial skills. Financial literacy is important for many reasons. One main reason is that financial responsibility is increasing. Today, many people must manage their retirement accounts, student debt, mortgage debt, and online trading accounts, among others. Trends in the United States show that financial literacy among individuals is declining, with only 34% of respondents correctly answering at least 4 out of 5 questions posed by FINRA on the topic. 4 basic financial skills. There are skills you must master in order to thrive. Number 1, how to create a monthly budget. Number 2, how to set aside some money for the long term every month. Number 3, how to pay your bills on time. Number 4, how to check your credit score. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy combines financial, credit, and debt management knowledge that is necessary to make financially responsible decisions, choices that are integral to our everyday lives. Financial literacy includes paying off debt, creating a budget, and understanding the difference between various financial instruments. In sum, financial literacy has a material impact on families as they try to balance their budget, buy a home, fund their children's education, or ensure an income for retirement. A lack of financial literacy affects people in advanced economies as well as economically emerging or developing economies. From Brazil to Bulgaria to India, nations around the world are faced with consumers who do not understand financial basics. Though financial literacy may vary with education and income levels, research shows that highly educated consumers with high incomes can be just as ignorant about financial issues as less educated lower-income consumers. Though in general, the latter do tend to be less financially literate. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for content just like it.